Alright, this is my top 5 sailing fails from my first 2 seasons. The first one is my mast track gate. I'm trying to raise the sail, I head into the wind, and the very first sail slug gets caught on it, and it pops out and goes in the drink. And then all my sail slugs come out, and the main sail is completely detached from the mast. The second one is my first centerboard grounding, so me and my buddy decide to go be cool and buzz the beach, see how close we can get to the beach, and we had no idea how shallow it was.
There we go. I'm going. You have it. Oh. Yeah, we are running around. Time to tack.
Okay, number 3 is my second grounding, this time with the rudder. I pulled up the centerboard. I am exploring a beautiful cove. The water's about 50-60 feet deep, but there are these huge boulders that come up from the bottom, and it's before sunrise. It's just too dark to see them, and so I end up hitting one.
Ooh. Hit the rudder.
Alright, number 4. This is the day that I discover that my boat will not heave to without some of the mainsail up. So I try and try and try again, but it just won't do it. Alright, this one isn't my fail. This is a couple of stand-up paddle boarders. The wind had picked up, the temperature had dropped, and they got caught out in the middle of the lake. One of them was actually in the water kicking, and so I see him out of the corner of my eye, and this was the second of 3 rescues that I did this season.
You guys okay? What? You guys okay? You look like you're struggling.
A little bit.
Yeah? You want to get a tow?
Alright, this is my 3rd outing in the boat, and we're trying to do a gybe. I'm pulling in the main, and the sheet gets out of my hand and runs out. And this